Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Equipment Remarketing. I'm going to give you a nice video here of a 2007 Moffett M55. She's sitting here with 1,823 hours. This thing has a really nice seat. This thing is looking great. We go in here, we look for anything bad, such as pins, bushings, mass bearings, chains, and actually, this baby has a brand new chain on it. We look for anything that can leak, such as hoses, cylinders, wheel motors. We pressure leak test the system. You can see evidence of new hoses here and there. If it's bad, we go ahead and fix it. Also, ladies and gentlemen, we take the cage off, the battery cover. Many of these gray parts that are easily removed, see evidence of new bolts. What we do then is we paint them separately. We also take the seat off. That way you get a nice finish that's put between and in between each area and then put back together. So that way you have a long-lasting finish. You can see evidence of new bolts there. Painted bolts there. Now, ladies and gentlemen, look how nice the hydraulic fluid is. All your fluids have been changed. Your filters have been date coated. You can hit the ground running. Ladies and gentlemen, there's your engine bay. Look how nice and beautiful and clean. Very good rubber on the back. New rubber in the front. Here's your Kubota engine. Look how beautiful, mighty clean this engine bay is. Now, we're going to do a little bit of operational just to show you how well she runs. Here's your Kubota coming to life. Your mass is going up and down. We got tilt and side shift. We also have outriggers. Mass carriage going in and out. This baby is tight. Everything's been checked, replaced if bad. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you can see how nice it operates too. All your motors are in sync. Everything's tight. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we'll give you what we call an operational guarantee. Operational guarantee simply means when it shows up, it's going to be the condition I've shown you here today. We're going to help you get it fixed. That is very short term, just when it gets there, so there's no disappointments. You can buy it sight unseen. We'll go ahead and guarantee this Kubota engine for another 1 month. That's guaranteed by us. After that, we can give you good customer support on help you get ideas to take service and keep it fixed. And ladies and gentlemen, now, we also want to let you know you can give us a call at 260-238-4998. Once again, 260-238-4998. You can also check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thanks for checking out this video.